How to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to unarchive all chats on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click these 3 points in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find this one, chats. Click on it and scroll down until you find this one, the last one here, chat history, and here you will find this one, unarchive all chats. Just click on it and that's it. That's how to unarchive all chats. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.